Friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss the maxima minima of function of two variable or more variable. Now there are some problem. Now problem number first. Find the extreme value. Find the extreme value of x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. Okay. Now discuss here the maxima and minima value of x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. Now let us suppose that a function f is x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. Now partial differentiation with respect to x. This is equal to 3x square minus 3. Okay. Similarly partial differential with respect to y. 3y square minus 12. For stationary point, this is a point where we determine the extreme value of the function by putting fx is equal to 0 comma fy is equal to 0, 3x square minus 1 is equal to 0 comma 3y square minus 12 equal to 0, 12. Now x square is equal to 1 comma y square is equal to 4. This is equal to x is equal to plus minus 1. Now y is equal to plus minus 2. Now here 1 comma 2 minus 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 2 are 4 points. There are 4 stationary points. Now partial differentiation 2 times with respect to x, that is fx denoted by r. This is equal to 6x. Now fyy denoted by t. This is equal to 6y. Now fxy, this is equal denoted by s. This is equal to 0. Okay student. Now we investigate the extreme value at given points. Now there are 4 stationary points: 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 2. Now at point 1 comma 2 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 and minus 1 comma 2. Now r is equal to, this is equal to 6, t equal to, this is equal to 6, or s is equal to 0. Now rt minus s square is equal to 36 minus 0, r is greater than 0 and r is greater than 0. So f will be minimum. F will be minimum. Now f minimum, that is minimum value of the function, by putting the value of x and y, that is 1 comma 2 in given function, then we get 1 का cube 1, 2 का cube 8 minus 3 minus 24 plus 20. this is equal to 2. This is the minimum value of the function at stationary point 1, 2. Now try at -1, -2. Then r is equal to -6, t is equal to -12. Sorry, t is equal to 12 here. 6 into 2 into 2. Okay, always positive. Now here s is equal to 0. Now rt minus s square 72, always positive. R is negative. Now f will be max, that is maximum value. Now f max equal the maximum value of function always -1 -8 +3 +24 +20. This is equal to 38. This is the maximum value of the function at stationary point -1 -2. Now try at point 1 -2. Now value of this point r is, this is equal to 6, t is equal to -12, s equal to 0. Now rt minus s square is equal to -72, always negative. Okay student, in this case neither function maximum nor minimum, neither function maximum nor minimum. Okay, that is we can say point 1, -2 is a saddle point. Now try at point -1, 2. Now value of r at this -6, t is equal to 12, s is equal to 0. Now rt minus s square is -72, lesser than 0. Therefore in this case neither function maximum nor minimum, neither maximum nor minimum. Okay student, similarly we can say point -1, 2 is a saddle point. Okay, therefore there are 2 points, 1, -2, -1, 2 are saddle point, because we know that the saddle point where function neither maximum nor minimum. At point 1, 2 function has a minimum value, this is 2, and function has maximum value at -1, -2, this is equal to 38. Okay student, this is a complete solution of given problem. Now next problem number 2. Discuss the estimate value discuss the estimate value of x square minus 2xy plus y square minus x cube plus x cube minus y cube plus x to the power 5 at origin. This is the most important question for competition. Let us suppose that f is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square plus x cube minus y cube plus s to the power 5. Okay student, now for stationary point, partial differentiation with respect to x, 2x minus 2y plus 3x square. Similarly, partial differential with respect to y, minus 2x plus 2y minus 3y square. Okay. Now f x is equal to 2 plus 6x denoted by r. Now t is equal to fyy. This is equal to 2 minus 6y, and s is equal to fxy. Now differentiate with respect to x of fy. This is equal to minus 2 only. Okay. Now for stationary point, fx is equal to 0, comma fy is equal to 0. Now we get 2x minus 2y plus 3x square equal to 0, comma minus 2x plus 2y minus 3y square is equal to 0. Okay. Now but we cannot necessary to evaluate the stationary point, where the point origin is given that, where we determine the stem value of the function. So it is not necessary to determine the stationary point. Now at point 0 0, this is a given point. Now value of r is equal to 2 plus 0, this is equal to 2. Now t, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Now s is equal to minus 2 already. It is not depend on origin. Okay. Now we can calculate rt minus s square. This is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to 0. In this case, when rt minus s square is equal to 0, then thus we need to further examine the question. Thus we need to further examine the question. When rt minus s square is equal to 0, then try again to investigate extreme value of the function. Okay. Now we have the value of function at origin is equal to 0. But given fxy can be written as x minus y whole square plus x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square plus s to the power 5. Now take here, first three terms can be written as x minus y का whole square and x cube minus y cube, this is equivalent to the x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. This is the factorize this. Now s to the power 5 as it. Okay. There is no problem here. We see that for points along the line, we see that 4 points along the line y minus x or x minus y is equal to 0, we have fxy is equal to x to the power 5 only. And according in every neighborhood, and accordingly in a neighborhood of origin NBD of origin, that is 0 0, there are points for function fxy is positive, and there are points where for function fxy is negative. Okay, student. Hence, f00 is neither maximum nor minimum. Hence, f00 is neither maximum nor minimum. Okay, student. That is, we can say at the given point at origin, function has neither maximum nor minimum value. Okay. Problem number 3. Examine the estimate value. Examine the estimate value of 2x to the power 4 minus 3x square y plus y to the power 2. Now discuss here. Let us consider f is 2x to the power 4 minus 3x square y plus y square. Now partial differentiation with respect to x. 8x to the power 3 minus 6xy. Okay. Now fy is equal to minus 3x square plus 2y. 4 stationary point. Fx is equal to 0. Fy is equal to 0. 8x to the power 3 minus 6xy is equal to 0. Now minus 3x square plus 2y is equal to 0. Okay. 2x is common. 4x square minus 3y equal to 0. Now 3x square is equal to 2y. Now x is equal to 0. Okay. Putting the value of x is equal to 0 in this, then we get y is equal to 0. Okay. Now again y is equal to 3x square by 2. Now one point is 0, 0. Now putting the value of y here, in this case 4x square minus 3 into 3x square by 2 is equal to 0. Now x square is common. 4 minus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. This is equal to x square is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0. Now put here x is equal to 0. Then again we get y is equal to 0. Now putting the value of this x is equal to 0 in this case, y is equal to 0. Again we get 0.00. Okay, student. Therefore, in this both case, there are one stationary point. This is origin. Now differentiate with respect to x again of fx, that is double differential with respect to x of function. This is equal to 24 x square minus 6y denoted by r. Now t is equal to fyy. This is equal to 2 only. Now s partial differential with respect to x minus के 6x at point origin. Now r is equal to 0, t equal to 2, s is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore rt minus s square, this is equal to 0 into 2 minus 0 square, this is equal to 0. So it doubtful case. So it is a doubtful case. So requires for the investigation again. Investigation again. Investigate again. That is fxy is equal to x square minus y into 2x square minus y after factorization, but the value of function at origin is equal to 0. Now value of fxy minus f00 equal to x square minus y, 2x square minus y. Okay. Always 0 or y is negative or x square greater than y greater than 0. Okay. Always negative for y greater than x square greater than y by 2. Now understand again. The value of x square minus y into 2x square minus y always positive when y is negative or x square is greater than y or y is greater than 0. In the both case, y is negative or x square is greater than y greater than 0. Both cases, x square minus y into 2x square minus y always positive. But the value of this always negative only when y is greater than x square greater than y by 2. Okay. So that fxy minus f00 does not keep the same sign, near the origin. Therefore, f has neither maximum nor a minimum value. Therefore, function f has neither maximum nor minimum value at origin. Okay, student, this is the complete solution.